difficult. You see all these rock cuttings here showing different pictures. This is one elephant.
Now we are in front of Dashara Dibba. This platform used for Navaratri celebration, Dasara celebration in the month of October, and it is a big festival for Vijayanagar rulers. And it's a budget year to settle the accounts. And all the subordinates king come and pay tribute to the king for them entertainment. 8-meter height, square shape. That white stone 14th century, this black stone 15th century. On the top wooden mandapa over there, burnt to ashes. Where the kings, noblemen, foreign dignitaries used to sit and enjoy the festivities of Dashara.
Okay,
now
that is the reason it is very high.
Now this festival shifted to Mysore. Today Mysore is famous. Once Vijayanagar is famous.
Yeah.
And you see the carvings here, all courtly figures. We have elephants showing the force, camels, horses, hunting scenes, soldiers, all depicting day-to-day life at that time. Only courtly figures, no Ramayana carving, no Mahabharata carving here. You can see the carvings are very nice.
Okay,
here.
these are
showing showing the power and strength,
Okay.
for all gatherings here.
And also they used to make budgets and all.
Yeah, budget saying tribute, subordinate king.
Okay.
Mysore king used to come and pay annual tribute because here they are power sovereign in
Okay.
South India.
Kappa anta hai.
Kappane, tribute, doesn't it?
Tribute, yeah.
Now we are stepping up to the Mahanami platform from back side. Here also we have nice carving. On the top wooden mandapa over there, burnt ashes.
Yeah.
Here you can see the entertainers. They are all especially Muslims from different parts.
Okay.
You see the mustache, cap, and we see the elephants, taming the elephants and camels. And here you can see Arab horse. Is Arabian bringing horse from Arab. You can see the costume.
Yes.
Is Arabian horse merchant. See the taming elephant, taming camel.
Okay.
Entertaining.
Yeah. So there are two entry here.
Two entry, one right.
There is one on left, one is on the right.
Please come here.
So we are getting on
To the platform of
to
Navaratri.
the platform of Navaratri. Now Navaratri, Dasara celebration.
That is a stone gate for the palace.
Okay, that's the stone gate. We'll go see there. But before that, this is
Yeah.
a platform. So all this,
Yeah, there was a wooden pillar.
yeah, there were wooden pillars. These are the proof of it. All the wooden pillars are burnt to ashes.
You see the palace area, how big it is.
So we can see the entire palace area here. So this is purposely done
For Dashara celebration.
for the Dasara celebration, and it is little higher than any other point, so that whoever sit here on this darbar, on this forum, would see the entire scene of the city, entire scene of this palace, the fort. These steps are not used. We can use. Yeah, this is the front entry. We just entered from the back gate. There's one more front entry here where you can get on, and this is the hall. There were how many storage? One storage, yeah. One roof, one complete platform. This says how importance they were giving even for the entertainment, for the celebrations of festivals and other religious celebrations and cultural activities. This is the place where they used to make their budgets and all as well. Kings and other ambassadors, subordinate kings, and they used to come here and pay tribute to the king, royal families. So these rocks looks dark, like black color, and other stones are of different colors. Why so, sir?
It's different. One is 14th century, this is 15th century.
Oh, okay. This is constructed over a period
Over a period. And
by different kings.
Yeah, nice carving.
Nice carving. So they have done it in different generations again.
Different generation.
So all these are all dancers, is
Dancer.
it? All dancers. If you see the dresses, the jewels, their pose, dancing pose, they're holding some instrument in the hand. And here is one dancer. He's from which country, sir? Maybe he has Muslim entertainer. Here, if I see this Bharatanatyam steps, this looks amazing. That are carved in black stone. And this is kind of a small temple kind of structure. Here we see some idols, but one is broken here. And here again some entertainers holding some musical instruments in hand, and then dancers. Amazing. Each and everything looks very amazing. And different steps again. On each steps there are temples like this. Temple structures.